Right, so the railway land lease policy for containers that has been reworked and the cabinet note has already been proposed. What the sources are confirming to us that the interministerial consultations have already been approved long time back, and this cabinet note is still awaiting PMO note. That is why there is a delay in the cabinet discussing this proposal of reducing the land lease fee substantially from the current 6% to below 3%. That is what the sources are confirming to us. This cabinet note also extends the land lease period from the current 5%. Now, once this cabinet approval goes through, we do know that the Concor strategic sale will be fast tracked, which is stuck because of this land lease policy that is being revised. Also, what the sources are telling us that DIPAM has already readied the EOIs for Concor. They are keeping it ready. They do not want any further delay. They are just waiting for the cabinet approval on this land lease policy so that immediately as it comes, they do not want it a delay and it will be issued immediately. That's what the sources are confirming to us. We also know that the government holds over 54% in Concor, and already cabinet approval was sought for 30.8%, which was approved. From this, the government will be getting approximately 8,000 crore rupees. For DIPAM, we know that every penny counts because rupees 65,000 crore is the target. Now we await to see how soon the PMO go ahead comes on this land lease policy cabinet note so that DIPAM can go ahead with the Concor strategic sale.